Hi, good evening and welcome. It's Kevin McClenahan here at kevinmcclenahan.com in San Diego with a review of Snatchit. Okay, with Snatchit, you get to siphon traffic from the web's most popular websites. That's right, you get to leverage other people's websites to do that hard work of convincing the readers to buy the product for you. You get instant sales from the visitors who buy the affiliate product, and Snatchit inserts your link. You get long-term commissions by simply sharing the content on social media or with friends. Gone are the days where you need to set up the website yourself and draw traffic to it. That's right, Snatchit is an automated cloud-based software. It places your affiliate offer or other product link onto any website. It generates you commissions and leads without you needing a website. Snatchit provides you with built-in templates for different calls to action, and you just add your opt-in form to collect leads from any website visitors. You can add images or video calls to action, and it generates you commissions totally hands-free. It's a single upfront payment. There are no monthly recurring charges. It's perfect for affiliates and e-com sellers, even offline marketers. And it's 100% newbie-friendly, easy-to-use software. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stay with me as I go into more detail about the product, about the offer and the special launch pricing. And of course, I've thrown in some cool free custom bonuses for you folks with just the purchase of the front-end offer, which is $15 on the downsell, okay? As well, the vendor has provided us with some really nice bonuses that I'll share with you as well. And conveniently, I have included the demo video, which goes into great detail on every aspect inside the members area. Okay. And when you get it, once you access the product and get into the members area, there are a huge amount of training modules in every aspect of this software. So they left no stone unturned in terms of the tutorials. But again, I have left you a demo video here in my bonus page. Now, to access this product and all of my cool free custom bonuses, at any time during this YouTube video review, just click on the link below in the description section underneath this YouTube video. It says, access this product and all my custom bonuses. Just click on that link and it'll take you through to this bonus page here. And that's where we're at now. And that bonus page looks just like this. Now, if you've come upon this bonus page via an email link that I sent you, then that's great. You're in the right place. And we're taking a look tonight at Snatchit. Now, this product is launching on the 26th, that's Tuesday, at 11 a.m. East Coast time, and that's 8 a.m. Pacific time. I'm in San Diego. Now, I just want to tell you that when this countdown timer counts down to 0, then all of the special launch pricing, all of my cool free custom bonuses, and all of the vendor bonuses are going to disappear, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. I spent a lot of time putting together these cool custom bonuses for you folks, and they are free with the purchase of the front-end offer. Let's take a look at those custom bonuses now. Custom bonus number 1, secret traffic source, Fuego Breakout. Double your opt-ins and double your income. That's Fuego Breakout, bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 with Snatchit is Stealth, targeted email marketing with no list or an autoresponder. Access Stealth and the advanced training. That is bonus number 2. Okay, bonus number 3, CPA marketing. Let's get paid for clicks. 2 complete training modules here for CPA marketing. Bonus number 4, incognito. Make a great affiliate living without ever getting in front of the camera or doing any reviews like I'm doing. And bonus number 5, access all of the vendor bonuses. Okay, let's take a look at those vendor bonuses. At any time during this YouTube review, to purchase this product and gain immediate access to the product and all my cool free custom bonuses and the vendor bonuses, just click on the link below this YouTube video in the description section, and it'll take you through to the bonus page. Just click on these yellow buttons, and this will take you through to the sales page. Now, the sales page looks just like this, and once you're on that sales page, if you go to scroll away from the sales page, there's called an exit pop-up. It'll give you a $2 off discount by clicking on that yellow button, okay? So took me a second to find it, but that's how it works. Click here to claim your special discount now. So the front end is $15, and that's with this exit pop-up, okay? Okay, so I wanted to show you that. So once you make your purchase, then you just log into your Warrior Plus account. Okay, so you just log into your Warrior Plus account, and up in the top right-hand corner here, just click on Purchase History, and it'll take you through to the receipt page. Okay, once you're on the receipt page, then you just click on the green button to access your purchase and the product, Snatchit. And then you click on the blue button and then accesses all of the cool custom bonuses that I made for you and all of the vendor bonuses that the vendor has made for you, okay? But you'll need to do that before the countdown timer counts down to 0, okay? So all the special launch pricing, my free cool custom bonuses, and the vendor bonuses will go away once this countdown timer hits 0. So here are all of those vendor bonuses. Okay, let's get a look at those vendor bonuses now. Crush it with YouTube, YouTube Cash, YouTube Celebrity, SEO Tactics. I'm not going to read all of these, but I'm just going to scroll through. Get Google Traffic, Backlink Basics, SEO Skills Mastery. Just a ton of cool bonuses from the vendor. And as well, they told us that we can give away 4 of these. So I think the most valuable 4 are probably Control Press, protects your site from being hacked, Video Strike, which is a powerful desktop app that creates incredible presentations, VidConnect curates and monetizes videos. That's a powerful one. And lastly, Vid Promo Pages is a premium page builder that comes with tens of ready-made templates for our highest converting sales pages. I think those are the most valuable ones. And so those are the ones I'm going to include in the bonus package for you folks. Okay, so Snatchit, let's get a look here. Finally cracked. New, done for you cloud software enables you to legally hijack any website to sell anything. No work involved. Have your product or affiliate offer on CNN, BBC, even Wikipedia. Okay, like I mentioned before, there's a full demo video inside of this bonus crate. So please just take your time in your own time. Go ahead and review that demo video so you're fully aware of what this is capable of doing. Very powerful software. Let's take a look at the sales funnel now, okay? The front end, like I said, with that $2 off exit pop-up is $15. Access the powerful Snatchit software and training modules. With the right system in place, you can get huge results. Have access to the same funnels that super affiliates use to drive massive sales. Gain access to the same websites, pages, and infrastructure as Fortune 500 companies. Legally hijack any website to sell anything. Okay, upsell number 1, Snatchit Pro, $36.93 with a $26.93 downsell. Create unlimited links and place on unlimited sites to hijack traffic. Automatically add your Snatchit ads and affiliate campaigns to over 200 social media sites with a push of 1 button. Okay, upsell number 2, done for you. Done for you templates and products for automated $230 commissions and no monthly fees. Get over 750 plus premium fresh templates created by expert graphic artists and professional copywriters. Now you don't have to have, there's no monthly recurring on this. This is not a monthly fee. This is just a one-time fee with all of these different templates. It's unlimited point and click editor. Create your own unlimited custom ads with the drag and drop editor. Commercial rights to resell top software tools from the developer and keep 100%. Okay, upsell number 3, reseller. $46.93 with a $36.93 downsell. So you're saving $10 at every price point here. Okay, so you're saving $10 on every upsell by choosing that downsell. Okay, so make sure that you, on these 3 alone, you can save $30. It kind of pays for another upsell if that's what you're interested in doing. Okay, so just be strategic with that. Developers of Snatchit are giving you done-for-you affiliate reviews that you can simply add your affiliate link to and start seeing sales. This upgrade is an invitation to sell the software as your own. They handle the marketing, the sales support, the updates, etc., and you keep 100% of the profits. So all of these done for you reviews, like this review that I'm doing right now, they're all completely done for you. I'll tell you what, the research and the bonuses and scripting this out for you folks before I give it to you, that takes me between 2 and 3 hours to do a review, right? I've got to research the product. I've got to get in and look at the product and see how it works, and then try to explain it to you folks, what the offer is. That takes a little bit of time. So for $37, they're doing it for you. And done for you reviews are all SEO optimized, and the OTO and upgrades are all built into the funnel already. So a front end sale that you originally were going to make $15 or $17 on, you could end up making over $200 on from a single visitor. This is your own software business done for you on autopilot. Software, traffic, conversion, sales, and support, all completely done for you, as well as future updates. So the developer is going to handle all of those details for you, and he's going to do it. They're going to do it for $37, right? So not too bad. Upsell number 4, IMX. It's $29.93 with a $10 downsell. They didn't give me any information on this, so I'm not sure what exactly that is. Radu Hohainu is one of the developers, and typically IMX, he's giving you either a couple of his products that he's already done, or he's going to give you some future products, okay? And so either way, that's a sweet deal. He usually gives you resellers rights and stuff too. So you'll have to see, once you get into the funnel, you'll have to see exactly what that offer is, okay? And again, as soon as this countdown timer hits 0, then all of the launch pricing, all of my free cool custom bonuses, and all of the vendor bonuses that I described to you today, those are all going to be gone, okay? And I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. So make sure that if this is something that you're interested in, that you hit that checkout button here. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, okay? Okay, so here are some of the key benefits that you might be interested in getting. Put your affiliate links, product, or ads onto other people's sites. Unlimited free traffic in any niche. You don't even need a website. Make $500 to $1,000 per day in net profit. It's all cloud-based. There's nothing to install. Works on any device, PC or Mac. And you'll have your affiliate links on CNN or CNBC. Hosting is included, so there's no website needed. There's no monthly fees, and it's 100% newbie-friendly. All you do is copy paste some links and hook it up to your social media sites of your choice, and you're good to go. Okay, well, thanks for joining me. I'm Kevin McClenahan at kevinmcclenahan.com here in San Diego, and I really appreciate you being with me during these reviews. That's my look at Snatchit, and we'll see you again in the next review. Bye-bye.